And there's some more new Richardson hoppers. Now there's a couple of new ones there too. There's one. There's a few more. There goes another one. Wow. Some more new Richardson hoppers. Cool, cool, cool. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Thursday, January 25th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.